Hi, welcome to Project Assistant. In this video, you'll learn how easy it is to create and implement projects using Project Assistant on your desktop, laptop, or tablet. With Project Assistant, there is no need to reinvent every project and no Gantt chart to struggle with. You get a 6-step best practice process, and information is provided when needed. To launch a project, click the Home button at the top left to open the dashboard. The dashboard, with its simple and intuitive layout, displays your projects on the left, your task assignments on the right, and items needing attention. Click the plus button at the top left to add a new project. Click an I to see a description of the best practice starting workflows. Select the appropriate workflow for your project and follow the prompts, or click More Workflows for additional options. We'll use the Employee Onboarding workflow for this video. Name your project and click Next. Select a project sponsor and manager and click Next again. Finally, set the estimated project timeline. Next, click the plan icon in the left navigation bar. You can modify the workflow's preloaded plan outline to your team's needs, then create and share a written plan. Pro tip: it may be tempting to skip this step and jump right into the work. This is a mistake we've seen many organizations make, but we highly recommend first sitting with your team and thinking through all aspects of your project to ensure no critical steps or factors are missed. Now it's time to tailor your project. Click the project icon. Here you can review the preloaded workflow and edit and assign deliverables, task groups, and tasks. Change a task to In Progress and the task group and deliverable status will be updated. Use the Split Task Group feature to easily separate some of the tasks into a second task group. When you're ready to schedule the work, pin Not Started task groups that need to be scheduled. Click the timeline icon, select the work period, and drag pinned Not Started and In Progress task groups to a calendar column. You can also schedule within a task group. Click the project icon and double-click a task group. Click the calendar icon in the Work Scheduled box and select the desired work period. Now let's implement the project. Click the I on a task group to view, edit, and describe the work. Tailor the rollover tooltip and description to meet your team's needs. Monitor and respond to my assignments and the Needs Attention report often. Continue updating the written plan, tailoring the project, scheduling, and doing the work. Select the plan icon and click Learnings to review and update learnings throughout the project. When you're ready to close the project, click the plan icon and select Close Project. Modify the workflow's preloaded outline to your team's needs, then record and formally close the project. Thanks for watching. For more information, click the question mark in the upper right.